Chandan Khadri. I'm the CEO, co-founder of Switch Energy Private Limited. Last month, we have launched one exclusive store at Hyderabad city. And thanks a lot to all the Hyderabadi people and Hyderabad city that what the response we have received from the people and from the consumer. And because of that, today we are launching the another store into the Hyderabad city. And that's actually give us the confidence that the electric vehicle will be a booming in next few years into the market. The Switch Energy Private Limited is basically an Ahmedabad-based company. We are into this industry from last 5 years, and from last 3 years we are working on electric motorbike project. And most probably within a few months we are planning to launch into the Indian market. And we are working very hard to achieve the government of India's vision, that is to convert the 30% of all the two-wheelers into the electric one. And of course, Switch Energy Private Limited is like a registered startup, the government of India registered startup. And we are working like with many areas to develop the electric vehicle industry into the Indian market. Here, like we are planning this, launching this second store with the help of our friend, and now I would say the Switch family member, Mr. Gopalji and Mr. Ganpatji. So thanks a lot to trusting the Switch Energy Private Limited, and cheers to all the guys. So the first store we have launched in the Begumpet, and we got a very good response in last 1 month, and that is the only reason that we have launched another store into the Hyderabad city. And now we are planning the another store into the Bengaluru. Hyderabad, if I would say, as far as the sales of Hyderabad city, as far as the electric vehicle is concerned, so we have very close relationship with Hyderabad. As when we have launched our electric vehicles, Switch Bike into the market before 5 years, at that time we used to sell our vehicle only on online platform through our website. And you will surprise that we got a first online sell from Hyderabad city. So that is the presence of mind. That is what I would say, the awareness about the electric vehicle of the Hyderabadi people. And that's the response what we are getting right now also. So there are different models are available with us. That is starting from NXZ to the XZ Plus, that is the top end model. So the starting price is 40,000 rupees and the top end model is 1,20,000 rupees. The unique feature of this bike is it's a foldable bike. It's completely foldable. You can put in your car boot also. Then the maximum top speed is 25 km/h, and that is the advantage because of that we did not have to take the license or the RTO registration kind of thing. It is ARAI approved bike, and the frame is made up of aluminum 6061. So that actually gives a steadiness to the bike, and our battery is inside to the frame, so that actually protects from the weather. Touchwood, from last 5 years, we haven't received any single complaint about the battery is concerned. So we actually work very hard as far as the technology is concerned. We keep on developing our technology towards the battery also.
Namaskaram andi. Na peru Ganpati Sirvi. SG Automotives owner ni nenu. Hyderabad lo mem Switch Bikes second showroom open chesam. So it's a very good bike. చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఎవరైతే వాళ్ళ హెల్త్ కాన్షియస్గా ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో అండ్ ఎవరైతే దీన్ని ఒక ప్రీమియం బైక్ లాగా చూసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారో, సో ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ అండ్ స్పోర్టీ బైక్. మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా విజిట్ చేయండి మాదాపూర్లో.